Yeah,
I
I
think
hear you.
we have met before, right? But I'm not sure. Puong Ao. Oh, Puong Ao.
Yes,
How can I?
my name is Phương.
Puong.
Yes,
By the way, where are you from? Vietnam, right?
yes, I come from Vietnam.
Puong from Vietnam, and then I'm from Indonesia. Do you know?
Yes,
Do you know we are neighbor? Do you know Indonesia?
yes, I know Indonesia.
Yeah, and then you can call
Mm,
me Imam. Imam. Imam.
yeah. Sure.
Okay.
Um, what do you do,
I'm an English teacher.
teacher? What subject do you teach?
English.
English?
Yep.
Great.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, my English is very bad.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
So, can you advise some
Tips.
mm,
Some tips. Some
yes,
advice. Okay.
step learn English good?
Okay. Okay. Maybe the first and the most important thing, if you want to improve your English, you have to learn about pronunciation, how to pronounce word correctly and properly according to grammar rules. Have you ever heard about IPA? IPA stands for International Phonetic Alphabet. For example, you have to now how to pronounce such as read, read, something like that, and then think, think, something like that is the very different. So the the most important thing you have to learn about pronunciation, how to pronounce word. Even if you have no a lot of vocabulary, but if you are good in pronunciation, your voice sounds like people from English speaking country. That's why the first and the most important thing, pronunciation. Okay. Hey.
Hello, your daughter,
No, she is my student.
student?
Yeah,
Yes,
she is my student. Okay.
yeah.
And then the second one, you have to learn about you have to expand, enhance your vocabulary. Just so you know, the vocabulary consists of two parts. I mean, the vocabulary can be classified into two parts. The first one, the passive vocabulary, and then the second one, active vocabulary. Passive vocabulary means you know the vocabulary, you understand the vocabulary, but when you are speaking, you don't use the vocabulary. It is called passive vocabulary. And then the second one, active vocabulary. Active vocabulary means you know the vocabulary, you understand the vocabulary when you are reading, when you are talking to the other people, you know. And then when you are speaking, you use the vocabulary. It is called active vocabulary. So the best way for improve your vocabulary, you have to change your passive vocabulary into active vocabulary. Okay.
Yeah.
And then the last one, the first one pronunciation, the second one vocabulary, and then the third one you have to learn about tenses. Do you know
Tenses,
tenses? Tenses can be classified into 16 tenses. Okay, the first one, simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous, simple past, past perfect continuous, simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous, and then the last part. past future, simple past future, simple past future continuous, simple past future perfect, and then the last one simple past past future perfect continuous. Okay, 2 hours. Okay, so there
Yeah.
are 3 points if you want to improve your English: pronunciation, vocabulary,
Pronunciation.
and then
Vocabulary.
what? The last one,
Uh,
tenses.
tenses.
Yeah, please repeat after me. The first one,
Vocabulary.
no. The first one, pronunciation.
Pronunciation.
Second one,
Pronunciation.
second
Vocabulary.
one,
Vocabulary.
and then the last one,
Uh, uh, vo- uh,
Tenses.
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 Yeah,
Tenses.
yeah.
Tenses are two. Tenses are two. Three. What is three?
Pronunciation,
Pronunciation.
vocabulary,
Vocabulary.
and then tenses.
Tenses. Ah, I think you are three. Yes.
Three. There are three
Three.
points.
Ah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, 3 points if
Yes.
you want to
So,
improve your
yeah.
English, especially your speaking skill. Okay,
Tenses. Yeah.
tenses. I think there are so many resources on the internet. You can learn from that. You can learn from internet. What is the tenses? What is the pronunciation? What is the vocabulary?
Yes.
Yeah, the more you learn, the more you get fluent. Oh, time is flying.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for sharing.
Yeah,
Bye
yeah, my
bye.
pleasure. Bye.